What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Closing your credit accounts won't necessarily fix your credit. Many people think that to improve their credit score, they just must pay off some debts and close their accounts. This is not exactly accurate. There are several reasons to think carefully before closing your accounts. First, if you close an account you need, for example, if you close all your credit card accounts, then you will have to reapply for credit, and all those inquiries from lenders will cause your credit score to drop. Secondly, most credit bureaus give high favorable points to those who have a good long-term credit history. That means that closing the credit card account you have had since college may hurt you in the long run. If you have credit accounts that you don't use, or if you have too many credit lines, then pay off some and close them. Doing so may help your credit score, but only if you don't close the long-term accounts you need. In general, close the most recent accounts first, and only when you are sure you will not need that credit soon. Closing your accounts is a bad idea if 1. You will be applying for a loan soon. The closing of your accounts will make your credit score drop in the short term and will not allow you to qualify for good loan rates. 2. Closing your accounts will make your overall debt balance too high. If you owe $10,000 now and closing some accounts would leave you with only $1,000 of possible credit, you are close to maxing out your credit, which gives you a bad credit rating. In the short term, closing accounts will lower your credit score, but in the long run, it can be beneficial. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.